guys, running Kimono here. So I went out to the store and I got my Gillette King C, the beard trimmer. I call it clippers, but whatever you want to call it. The beard wash, and then 3 filler items. I used register rewards for this one, paid cash for the balance, and got back $24.50. And it was a thrilling moment. It was really exciting. So I'm going to walk you through what I did and answer a couple questions that I'm getting a lot in the comments. And if you can get out and do this deal, like, by all means do it, because I don't think there's anything better than when you get something like this inexpensive. For me, it was a $3.55 moneymaker, and I'll take that every day of the week. I mean, it's just fantastic. Like I was saying, guys, I needed 3 filler items because I had 3 register rewards that I wanted to throw into this basket. So remember a couple weeks back, we got all those nuts for free. I have become addicted to the Nice brand trail mix. It's called Magic Mix, and there is magic to it because it is so good. I mean, if I could only eat that, I think that might be my new diet. So when you're grabbing your filler items, to get the register rewards to attach properly, this is what you're going to have to do. Get the cashier, because I have 3 register rewards, I got her to scan every item one by one. And that's the first thing. So you scan your store card and then give he or she, the cashier, the bags, and they will scan each one. So because I'm using 3 register rewards, the cashier scanned 3 bags of that trail mix. Then the clipper, I got the lady to scan, and then the beard wash. It doesn't matter the order of those 2, but with the filler item, the fillers have to be scanned first, because the register rewards will attach to whatever item that's scanned in your line limit first. So if you've ever had issues where you hand over register rewards, but you have digital coupons and the digital coupons do not come off, but the register rewards work, that's why. So I can't stress that enough, and make sure that the cashier scans every single item. So say you're using like 3 register rewards like me, he or she needs to scan every single item, not scan 1 and then key in 2. If they do that, only 1 register reward will scan at checkout. Now, I also picked up the beard trimmer. So this guy, there was a ton at my store, so lots of people can do this deal. And they have boxes and boxes. It's in the center there, and it has the 3 little guards and the trimmer for $29.99. That is not cheap. And just to look at the tag, as you can see, this is right until the 26th. When you spend 20, you get back 10,000. How marvelous is that? So you can do this right up until Saturday. And then this is the magical digital coupon that showed up this morning, which is a $10 off. A couple of you were saying that you have to buy the double-edged razor, the 5-count blade refills, and the beard trimmer all together to use that $10. That's incorrect. If you look at the bottom of the coupon, it says the list of items, and it says or 1 King C Gillette beard trimmer, and that's what that box is. So it's either the other items on the top or the beard trimmer. You don't need to buy all 3 to use this coupon. And then we're also grabbing one of these beard and face washes for $12.99. And again, the store that I visited this afternoon around lunchtime, there was a ton of them. And just to show you, it's on the left-hand side at the very end, and it's tagged, and here's the tag a little closer. So we're buying 2 of those items to get a balance of 40, so we'll get back 20,000 points. And this is the coupon that's attaching to it, and it's off of 1 King C at the very last, comma, 1 King C beard wash, so that it's its own item. You don't need to buy everything on the list. And usually you follow the punctuation of the coupons, and that's how you know what is working in that way. So in this instance, it's just, you can use it alone on the beard wash. Okay, so I'm also using this, which is a digital in concert with my little dealio. So we're going to go through what I did. So scan the filler items first, and they have to scan all 3 because I have 3 register rewards. So 3 bags of that trail mix at 99 cents a pop is $2.97. Then the cashier scanned the King C clipper for $29.99, and then 1 King C beard wash for $12.99. So scan my store card, and then that's 5 scans of 5 items. So there's 5 items on the line list. So the total right there is $45.95. Then I presented my 3 register rewards. $9 came off. She hit the final pay button and another 16 came off. I had to pay $95 cash out of pocket. So cash, debit card, credit card, pennies, whatever you have. And then what I got back in return was 20,000 points as I spent $40 on this merchandise. And it's spend 20, get back 10,000. So times 2, I'm getting back 20,000 points as I have a purse of $40 of this stuff before all the magic happens. And then I'm also getting back 4,500 points, which is basically, $4.50 back for my 10 times every day, making this basket free plus a $3.55 moneymaker. Awesome. So just to show you the receipt here, how everything's scanned, and even though the trail mix was scanned first, it's at the bottom of the receipt. I don't fully understand that. Maybe that's just the ledger of the digitals, the highest to lowest. But I paid $20.95, and then I got back $24.50 in points. So I am like really happy with this. And just to show you, I showed you the digital version here from the app. It's just easier to read than the way I crop it out, just to show you the points. But there it is. I mean, this deal works. I went and tested it. Good luck with this, guys. I know a lot of you will just go and do this deal because it's fantastic. Alternatively, you can do it online, and you can also do this deal if you wanted to use your 25% off. You'd have to make sure that you were at $20 or $40 after the percentage off coupon. So you'll have to figure that out mathematically, maybe grab something else, figure it out. But I'm sure a lot of you can do it, and you would be laughing all the way to the bank. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.